I couldn't be more excited about tonight's open house. Teachers, students, and parents and guardians are all enthusiastic about the school year. This is the perfect time to forge positive relationships. That's why I'm going to make the most of open house. And you can too by following this checklist. The first thing you'll want to do is prepare. Start by sending personalized communication to parents via email, notes, social media, and the school's messenger system. That way, busy families will have plenty of reminders and will arrive feeling welcomed and included. Next, make copies of useful paperwork, including student schedules and any forms you need to collect, such as updated contact sheets. Also, think about any accommodations you can make. Will guardians benefit from having materials printed in a language other than English? Can you provide activities to keep students and siblings engaged while parents tour your room? Providing these resources will help ensure everyone benefits from your open house. You'll also want to create a sign-in sheet. Include a place for parents to write their name and their child's name, just in case their surnames differ, as well as their preferred contact information. This will make it much easier to stay in touch. And the last thing you'll want to prepare is a professional outfit, sure to make a strong first impression. Looks like we're ready for step 2. Now let's focus on what you'll display. First up is exemplary student work that shows all of the amazing things happening in your classroom. I've included an All About Me corner so students and parents can learn about my culture and teaching style. Open house is also a great time to have a volunteer sign-up station so guardians can learn about opportunities to become involved. Displaying pictures will get everyone excited about upcoming activities. Next, let your guardians know where missing work folders are located and that students have the opportunity to make up assignments that weren't turned in. Lastly, consider creating an activity like a photo booth so families can engage in something fun while they wait to speak with you. Once the night of open house has arrived, it's time to share. Parents love to know what their child's day looks like, so I've included a copy of the student's schedule. I've also printed our behavior and academic expectations. Parents who know these expectations will be empowered to help their children succeed. In addition, I've included a brief list of homework tips so guardians know how to help their children, as well as a copy of my professional contact information. I've also provided index cards and pens so guardians can submit any questions they may have. Remind them to include their name so you can follow up with them as soon as possible. What a great question! After a successful open house, parents and guardians will go home feeling positive about the upcoming academic year. They'll be more open to helping you and their child with your instructional goals. They may even be more comfortable volunteering their time and resources to in-class activities. I'm going to build on that momentum by sending personalized thank you notes to everyone who participated. I'll also share the open house materials with any guardians who weren't able to attend. That way, everyone will have the resources they need to get the new year off to a great start.